For all you K-pop fans, here is HYUNJIN. In this video, I'm going to recreate HYUNJIN's cut and color. HYUNJIN, roll the tape! To recreate this look, I will exclusively use the French cutting method. I will cut the entire perimeter all at once in a straight line, on a solid form. The French cutting method became very popular on the 90s. Slide cut the frame on the sides, starting on the chin, using the razor to give it a lighter and wispy look. This cutting method has you following the shape of the head, and because of that, it's perfect for haircuts that they are soft and flowing. First, I will determine where I want the weight line on the back of this style. To cut the graduation on the nape, I will use this angle. Using the French cutting method, you will cut all the hair on the top of the fingers. You move around the head using the same angle and using the small sections, and cutting it vertically from the bottom up. This technique creates a flowing and slick look. To cut the top of the layers, comb the hair at 90 degrees from the angle of the head, and continue around the head using the same graduation angle, cutting from the bottom to the top. Follow me on Instagram to discover all the looks that I have created. Plus always I post VIP information on what I'm going to be doing next. Thank you very much! Don't miss at the end of this video what I'll be doing next week. And leave a suggestion for things that you want me to do next. I always check all you guys' suggestions. After drying the hair, I will follow the same graduation line around the head with the texturizing shears. With these angles and technique, I will create an internal structure to help out with the undercut. This will make this style so much easier to blow dry. This technique will help you out to create a better finish when you blow dry the hair. Check the movement on the layers. To line in the hair, I will use 40 volume bleach. This mannequin head took 2 separated applications to achieve the desired color. Just remember, everyone has a different level of timing and lining on their hair. Please consult with a professional hairdresser for these technical services and questions. I would use paste from 1821 to finish the hair in a more natural and textured way. If your hair is straight, you could use wax from 1821 because this product will give you more hold and more texture. Let the hair dry naturally without using the blow dryer. When it's dry, you can finger comb it and adjust the style to your liking. The majority of lining hairstyles will look great with this technique. 1821 is just right to maintain the look all day. It will give a shape and texture, but you will still be able to run your fingers through the hair. To straighten the hair like HYUNJIN, I would use the round brush to give them shape and direction. The lining service with the bleach will give your hair more body and volume. So if you need it, you can use the flat iron. Avoid making the style look flat by paying attention only to the middles and ends, and leave the roots untouched. This will give a more natural looking style. Use 1821 oil to add some smoothness and shine to the hair. You only need a small amount because of the high quality of the oil. Your hair will love it, especially after lining bleach. This is a great tip to keep the hair placed behind the ear. Use 1 or 2 bobby pins as needed. I'd like to know which one is your favorite song from the Stray Kids. Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't listened to any other songs, give them a try. I look forward to see you next week. Don't miss Izumi with his short haircut. This is Angel del Solar bending some hair.